everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the coupon insert preview for what we are getting on August 23rd. Now, I tell you guys this every week. Please keep in mind not everybody gets the same coupons, and as you guys coupon more and more, you will know what's going to be in your inserts and you will know what you're not going to get. Sometimes my inserts surprise me and I get something that I've never gotten before, which is nice, but just sharing with you guys on that in case you need to you know, figure some stuff out. So we're getting one Retail Me Not and one Smart Source. So here we're getting all laundry coupons. We got the $2 off the laundry packs, and then the just regular all $1. Ben & Jerry's cookie dough chunks, bags, whatever, slices, those are $1. Then we're getting $1 off any 2 pints. Most likely there's going to be a printable coupon for that. Benefiber, Citrusel, Feline Greenies, those are buy one, get one free. Garnier Fructis is $2 off of one. Otherwise they have $3 off of 2. The Whole Blends is $3 off of 2. The Gas X, and then we're getting L'Oreal Elvive, so we're getting a 4 off of 2. Nexium, Preparation Age, Purex Crystals, $1, top 75 cents, and $1.50 off of 2. So that's what's gonna come in our Retail Me Not. I know as a fact I'll maybe get one of those coupons, if not none of those coupons. So that's just kind of how I know from couponing over the years what I will get and what I will not get. But just giving you guys a heads up. Here's a Smart Source. I did forget to mention the website. It is SundayCouponInserts.com. I love this website. They're always reliable on letting us know what's coming out. They did not put the expiration dates, so I don't know what's going on, but we got Alberto VO5. I haven't seen VO5 coupons in forever. 50 cents. Aquaphor Body, $2, $3. Clairol Nice and Easy, 5 off of 2, $3 or $2. $2. Claritin 6, 4. Claritin. Oh look, we're getting more CoverGirl coupons. We get those every other week. $2, $2, and $1. So not as high priced as before, but hey, you'll still take it when you can save some money. Del Monte Oats, 50 cents. Irwin Naturals, never heard of it. Ken's Dressings, I think there might be a deal in Ibotta, but you get $1 off of 2. And then the vinaigrette, there's $1. LA Looks or Rave, 50 cents. Nabisco cookies or crackers, $1 off any 3. Pain Block, 24. Pediasure, Russell Stover candy, $1. Sargento Balance Break Snacks, $1. Welch's Fruit Snacks, $1 off any 2, and then Zone Perfect. So those are the coupons that we're getting this Sunday. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.